Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. And before I go in with any eyeshadow, I am first going to prime my eyelids. Like I always do, I'm using this primer from MAC Cosmetics and it's called the Paint Pot. And I'm using the color Soft Ochre. Now to apply this, I'm taking the Sigma Beauty P84 brush and I'm using this to apply the primer all over the eyelid. The primer is going to remove some redness and it's going to make sure that the eyeshadow that we're going to use today is going to stay in place all day. So the palette I'm going to use is the Bye Bye Birdie eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. This is a beautiful palette and I've actually used it before. I will make sure to link the video in the description bar where I use the same palette in case you want some more inspiration. So I'm going to start with this soft, kind of like peachy color, and I'm going to start blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner of my eye, just sweeping my brush back and forth. I wanted this shade to be everywhere, and gradually I build it up the shade by going in with more and more eyeshadow to kind of intensify the color. So of course, everything I'm doing at this side of my eye, I'm also gonna do at the other side. I'm not always showing both sides in my videos because it's obviously gonna make the video so much more longer. But sometimes I include it in the tutorial. So now I'm gonna take this darker shade and now I switch to a Sigma Beauty E25 brush, kind of pressing this in the outer V and also making circular motions with the brush and just making sure that it looks as blended as possible. So definitely take your time with this if you want to make sure that it looks as nice and blended as possible. I'm just kind of like making circular motions as you can see me doing right now. I'm not being too focused like on making it look really neat, but at the same time I do want to make sure that it's not going too far like to the outer corner of the eye. I kind of want it to be like in the portion of the eye shape, if that makes sense. You can see I'm not going like any further than like the end of my eyebrow, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna take this shade which we used at the beginning, going back in with the Sigma E40 brush and blending a little bit more of that in the crease area, just because I felt like it was looking a bit harsh. So now I'm going to take my finger to use this shade, which is kind of like a taupey kind of color. It's really beautiful. As you can see, the color payoff is also really good. It's really beautiful and intense. You can also use a brush with some setting spray if you want it to be even more intense, but I felt like it was already looking really good and you can just see really that metallic sheen in it, which I think it looks really beautiful. And then now for the next step, I'm going to take this pinky purple shade using a Sigma Beauty E75 brush. And I did spray a little bit of setting spray on the brush. This way, this color is going to look so much more darker and also more pigmented. And this way I can use it as an eyeliner. You can do this trick with any eyeshadow palette you have. When you make your brush wet, the color is just gonna become a bit more darker and it's just gonna become more intense. So therefore you can use any palette and you can use shades like this as your eyeliner, which I think is so cool because this way you don't have to buy like a separate eyeliner for your eye look. You can just use the palettes and the eyeshadows that you have at home, and this way you can turn them into eyeliners, which I think is so cool. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this before or if you're gonna try it after seeing this video. I love reading all of your messages. And then now I went in with this pencil from Urban Decay, which is in the color Love Drug. I felt like this shade looked so similar to the eyeliner, so I thought it would be perfect to use this for in the waterline. This way all the colors just kind of match with each other, which I really like. So I'm just applying it in the waterline at both eyes, of course. And then after that, I went back in with that pinky purple shade, which we used to create our eyeliner look, and blend this all the way underneath the lower lash line. Now I have a special discount code for all Sigma Beauty brushes. I have it linked down in the description bar, and the brush kit that I created with them will hopefully be back in stock real soon because all the brushes I used in today's video are included in the brush kit. But in the meanwhile, if you do want to purchase any of their brushes, I do have a separate discount code which you can use as well. So I just kept blending and blending until like I felt like the lower lash line was looking really nicely smoked out and blended out as well. And then after this step, I decided to curl my lashes because I always do this before applying mascara. Also, I did a poll on my Instagram asking if anyone would be interested in seeing another video using no fake lashes. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm only going to use mascara today, and the one that I'm using is by Givenchy. It's called the Disturbia mascara, which is my current favorite. I just really love how it makes my lashes look. So if you recreate this eye look and you do want to apply lashes, of course you can do that. You can give your whole own twist to this makeup look. But I decided to keep it this way and keep it a little bit more soft and easy. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also let me know if you want to see more videos where I just used only mascara. I would love to know if you guys prefer that. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!